Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your PSP battery not detecting CMOS problem fix. So basically what we'll need to do is take out battery from your PSP, and now what we'll need to do is just plug in your PSP and just turn on and play it or use it for like 10-15 minutes. And after that what we'll need to do is just take out your charger as fast as possible and put your battery back again like this. Then just put the charger back on, plug it and turn it on, and it should fix your issue 100% because this fixed for me. So it will basically detect your battery and it will charge it. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and say if it works. So I'm pretty sure it's going to work for you. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, again, subscribe it.